Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this awesome Ducati Scrambler 800. Registered the 22nd of December 2022 on a 22 plate with only 3,094 miles and presented in the iconic 62 yellow. This fantastic example benefits from a great selection of tasteful upgrades and accessories, including a dark stealth rear mudguard, SW-Motech footrests, Domino grips, Evotech headlight guard, radiator guards, oil cooler guard, front and rear spindle bobbins, brake caliper guard and adjustable levers, Oxford mini LED indicators, Continental Twinduro dual sport tyres and, most importantly, the must-have Termignoni exhausts, giving the Scrambler an even more distinctive look and that unmistakable Ducati soundtrack. Powered by Ducati's characterful 803cc air-cooled L-twin engine, the Scrambler delivers the perfect combination of usable performance, lightweight handling, and classic Italian styling. Its relaxed riding position and punchy power delivery make it equally at home around town, on a Sunday blast, or tackling longer journeys. This motorcycle will leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty for complete peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for even greater reassurance. We can deliver this motorcycle anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of competitive finance packages to suit your needs. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48 WhatsApp, 07359837799 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Part exchanges are welcome. Please note there is a small £89 administration fee.